Back in August 2019, Nokia TA1208 got the certification from the Wi-Fi Alliance. Back then the name of the device wasn't revealed, but a new year passed, and the name Nokia 400 4G came out on the certificate. The specifications of the device didn't change, and it is still some kind of a feature phone with the software version similar to the 2720 Flip and Nokia 800 Tough. Even though it is classified as a smartphone in the certificate, the Nokia 400 4G is consistent with the naming used for Nokia 800 Tough, and the phone is coming with just 2.4G Wi-Fi, so it is surely a feature phone. The interesting thing about this phone is the GAFP operating system, which could indicate some kind of an Android OS for feature phones.